How to remove unsaved JavaScript in Shopify. To do this, we have to go to our online store and we go to themes, and from here you can go to the three dots, and the part which is very tedious, you can go ahead and look for residue script here line by line, which I don't recommend, so I can show you some workarounds which I found. And I just go here. So it's recommended that if you don't have technical knowledge, you shouldn't be doing this, but if you have some knowledge of JavaScript, you can try these things. You can defer the off-screen images. You can properly size the images as well. Remove unsaved CSS and unused JavaScript, and you can also optimize or minify the code. So you can just follow these steps if you really know what you're doing, and you can edit this yourself. If not, I recommend finding some kind of website which helps you optimize your code and deletes unsaved JavaScript to make your life easier. Because if you don't know JavaScript, this will be very hard for you. So that's the way I recommend. So that's how you remove unsaved JavaScript in Shopify. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.